done. We have opened the door. Great, let's open the door then. Okay, we're gonna sleep. I'm sleeping this side. I'm sleeping this side. Oh, what is that head? Try to find all the papers. And the drawers,
There's
maybe?
one paper that has birds.
Is it? Oh, can we go outside for the paper?
The president's face was planted among him.
You grab it.
You can't grab it.
Grab. I wanna open the TV.
You can't take it. You can't take the book.
Bro, let me out.
There's a book and take them daily. Your computer.
It's night
Look at that.
time.
Your kids are already learning on how to cook.
Yeah, totally. It's night time.
It's my time already. I can't sleep. There's something about the light that scares me.
Guys,
The
curtain.
The curtain.
oh, I see the monster.
Yeah, I already saw it. I already knew it.
This is really quite scary.
We gotta run, bro. There's
gotta
lava
run.
coming.
Look, I'm taller than you. Oh no!
Oh no, it's a monster! Why am I so short? Oh yeah.
Did you forget about me so early? Fire! We need to run!
In lava? Come on. You gotta go.
Untouchable. The glass is still on the floor.
Oh yeah. I totally saw that.
Come on, the storage room.
Go to somewhere high. Like somewhere super high.
Oh, there's a paper there.
I know, I already saw it.
Okay, I took it.
We need to go to somewhere high. Because, yeah, fire is going to come from the ground. I mean lava. I mean fire. I mean lava. Oh my god. Just
It's not
stay
coming.
up here.
But it's not
It's
coming.
already
Why?
coming.
Why is it taking so long?
The fire won't come here. Don't worry.
Are we safe now?
No, we are not.
The floor! Get on something high, quick!
And this is where I'm at. I swear if you don't. Oh no, she survived. Because me and Cherry died.
What?
Yeah, me and Cherry
The
died. that
fire
time.
is gone. What is happening?
Hey, call somebody.
Yeah, okay, can you get out of the way so I'll take the benefit?
I'm hiding in
The
here.
fire is gone.
Guys, the phone is ringing. Please,
I'll pick it
be
up.
back. I mean, we should.
Hello? Who's there?
I swear it's the monster.
Hey guys, I'm glad that you picked up. Something terrible is happening on this plane.
Yeah, we can guess.
You don't say! I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin.
Let's just do lava.
The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a few minutes while I try to unlock it. Bro, it's green.
Nah.
Get closer while I do that. But be careful. The monster might be still around.
Oh, now I swear. Welcome somebody who understands us. Who understands that there's a monster.
Do not escape this in time. time. Mwahahaha.
I'm gonna make
Oh
a
no!
part two.
Don't let him catch you.
Wait, I need to change my speed to 55.
Are you seriously gonna leave me behind like that?
Alright.
I will start a house, okay.
Come on, Freya, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Wait, what?
Oh no, it's
Come
locked.
on.
Oh hell no.
Michael!
Oh, he's gone, he's gone, he's gone. Oh hell no.
Ah!
Oh, I'm ready. Wait, why did the car stop when I'm not done
Ow!
driving?
Oh
And I
no!
locked it.
Get in the room, get in the room.
And I
Now run.
it didn't go by
Keep,
itself.
spam jump, spam jump. You're almost dead. I'll lead it to me, I'll lead it to me. Where's the monster? Yes, come here, Freya. Okay. Freya, come, Freya, Freya, come. Freya, come. Come, it's already 1 second. Okay, the door's open. Get in.
You can't get in.
Okay, we're already going in.
Oh my gosh. My head is on half just because I keep on keeping you safe. Distracting. Oh, hey. Cool.
Great, everyone is here.
I don't know how to drive. If
What is going on?
no, another note.
We saw the monster again. Him is. What? Did he follow us here? It didn't follow you here.
Oh, good thing. Cause I
It
think
made
that guy.
you come here again. I knew there was something wrong here. Bro, don't block the pilot's vision. Bro's trying to drive. The good news is, I'm not just pilot. I'm also a secret agent and I know a lot about this monster.
Oh, good thing. Good thing.
He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. And there was something about it. Planes. He was always obsessed with planes in a scary way. He likes to read news about plane crashes.
Oh my. I better eat more food.
So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. His spirit still chases people like you guys because he blames you for his death.
Wait, why?
Now that you know the story about the monster, you must know he can take any shape. He could be
We haven't
any
even born
He
yet.
could
when
be any
we born.
agent or even the president. I'm not sure yet.
No.
But
We haven't even born yet when he was here.
yeah. You only have one chance to discover him and kill him. So, who is taking the shot?
You.
What? Isn't she gonna choose?
Oh.
Oh, I mean the AI.
Oh. Why is it taking so long?
I know, right?
Oh wait, I think one of us need to stay on the chair.
No, we need to grab the gun, not sit on the chair.
Oh,
Hey, since you're bad at aiming, I'll take it. I will do it.
because I'm bad at aiming.
Alright, good luck. Guys! Guys!
There's only one gun. I swear, don't give me a gun. I don't know how to shoot. Actually, no, I know, but I don't. But
There you are. We've been looking for you.
oh no.
It's over.
Oh.
We've discovered you monster. Wait, put that gun down.
Good luck.
What are you doing? We know about the plan to kill us. We know one of you guys is the monster.
I'm still using the burgers.
You are making a huge mistake. I'm pretty sure it's the agent though. We are not monsters.
I thought it was Ronald McDonald's.
I don't trust you.
No, his name is Ronald.
Who should I shoot? Who should I shoot?
Ronald.
Or should I not shoot?
Just shoot Ronald. Just try. I swear if it is wrong. Where's your hands like that? Who did you shoot?
Ronald.
Uh,
Like I
I
said,
said,
you made a
you
huge
made a
mistake.
I don't know.
Did we get the bad ending?
Yeah, I think so. He got the bad ending.
Next time,
Why did I get
Oh,
the
no.
ending?
what did I do? He was the monster.
I was the one that
It's
told
funny
you.
how you keep calling me monster. But I look at what you did.
His name is Jimmy Lauren. Call him Jimmy.
All of you are the real monsters.
We wasn't even worth it when you died.
Now I can take your souls.
No.
Bad ending. Oh no, I got bad ending.
We too. You finished Airplane 2
The
award.
end.
Anyways.
Bye bye guys. Bye bye.
Bye.